Oh, what an interesting video I have for you guys today. Today's video is gonna be very simple, straight to the point. You are gonna get paid to read emails, and this video you need to watch it until the end. Make sure to subscribe if you guys are new to my channel, because in this channel we are here every single day showing you guys how to make full-time income online. And also click the link in my bio if you are looking to make full-time income online. And the website we're going to be showing today is very simple. You're going to be needing your email, either Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, or any email, alright? And you're going to need this simple website that's going to help you, or basically send you emails every single day, multiple times. And I want you guys to use a new email, alright? Because this is, if you use it in your personal email and you expect like people to send you emails every single day, and you don't want to get bombarded with emails, so I suggest you guys to go and create a new Gmail account. And for that, you're gonna come to gmail.com. Pretty much it's very simple. All you have to do is come to Gmail and you're gonna create a new Gmail account. For me now, I'm signed into my account, but if you guys are new, you're gonna click add new account, and then you're gonna click create for myself. And then you're gonna able to create new Gmail account from here. Very simple. And then once you create your Gmail account, you are gonna be coming in here, and then you're gonna click register. And by the way, the website called clickgenie.com, and this is the website we're gonna be talking in today's video. Now make sure to watch this until the end, because there's gonna be another step which is going to be not mentioned by them, which is something that you need to be focused on. So I'm going to explain that to you in just a second. Now, so basically this is the website. Now before we go and sign up, I'm going to show you what is the benefit and what is the downfall for this, because it has one thing which is the downfall for this. I'm going to tell you at the end, so make sure to, like I said, to keep watching. Now the first thing which is they have, which is very good, it's friendly interface. What basically means that it's very friendly to use and it's not too complicated. There's no it's not very hard to understand. Multiple earning option. You earn money from reading emails at your own pace. You earn even more by inviting your friends, which they have a invitation referral system. Multi-level commission. You can earn more money for every active referral you get. You get up to 5 level deep, up to 320%. This is another good things about them, and it's secure. Like ClickMagick is very secure. They use also 2-factor authentication, and it's transparent. Your earning has been tracked, which is it shows in the, once you go down, you can see this is the members, and these are the people who are earning money. So basically you can see these are the proofs that they have keep earning money. And these are the proofs. I'm going to show you in another tab. You can see all these people are earning minimum 0.05, and they are getting paid through Payer. All right, this is another payment method that you use. And there's so many members. There's right now 1,000 people live, and they have already paid out almost $10,000. So it's very legit, and you can see all these what they have. Now for signing up, all you have to do is click here. All right, you're gonna add your username, your email, your password, and then you can confirm your password again. And then you need to click your that you accept the terms of service and you accept their privacy notice, which you can read them both from here. And then you're gonna click register. Now once you register, you're gonna receive an email from them. This is very important. You need to click this. They said, "Dear Sadiq Salad, please click on the following link to finish your registration process." Now we're gonna click on that. Now operation successful. Now one more thing, what you're going to be doing is once you sign up, you're going to get another email. Now you need to go back. All right, now this is important one. All right, important. Welcome to ClickMagick, must read. Now they are telling you to click on this dot, which is going to be right here. All right, and then it says add ClickGenie to contact list. Now this one, it was on the previous Gmail. All right, right now Gmail, they don't have this option. Now if you must be gonna be confused once you receive this, because they are literally telling you to do that, and they don't have this option. Now for that, what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna click contacts. You're gonna click these 3 dots. I'm sorry, and then you're gonna scroll down until you see contacts. I don't see it. All right, yeah, this is the contacts. I was very confused. I couldn't see that. Now, and then what are you gonna come click here, create new contact, and then you gonna come in here. All right, then you have to come back to this. You have to copy, click, come back here, copy. All right, and then Genie. You're gonna click Genie in here now, and then you're gonna go back here, and then you're gonna click copy this, copy, come back, and then you have to save this so that it does nothing goes to the spam, and then you're gonna click save. Now we are good. This has been done. Now you're gonna get emails floating in, and you are basically gonna get emails from them, and then you have to read them. You don't even have to read them. You have to all you have to do is open them. All right, now we're gonna come back in here. We're gonna add our password so that we can sign in. Once we add our password, we are gonna be good to go. So pretty much is very simple stuff. All you have to do is you'll receive emails from them. Once you receive these emails from them, then you are basically gonna be getting paid for every email, which is gonna be 0.05, and that's pretty much it. Now once you log in, this is gonna be your area page. Now here you don't have to do anything. All right, there's nothing you have to do in here apart from that. If you want to get people registered in here, you can copy this, and then you're gonna send it to your friends who are also looking to earn money, and then once they also join, you're gonna be entered into, they're gonna be under you, and then if they also send other people, they're gonna be under you as well, so that you can be it's gonna be 5 level deep. All right, so it's another good way to make money, and then you'll be making up to 320% from your friends when they join. And this is going to be very simple website, and you are going to be getting paid. Now for this, here's the commission. So here's is whenever your friends they make money, and here's your main balance, which is going to be for every email you receive, and you're going to get your emails like a daily from 10 to 20 emails. And once you are very legit, they know you are very active, then they're gonna send you more emails, and that's pretty much it. And this is very simple stuff. Now I hope you guys like this video. Make sure if you guys do to like and subscribe. And also if you guys are looking to make full-time income online, I have my recommendation. The link will be in the first link in my description. This is where I started, and this is how I make $10,000 per month with affiliate marketing. It's a brand new way. I also teach in my YouTube about affiliate marketing. So if you guys are looking to make full-time income online, the link, that one is my recommendation. So go ahead and click it. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Peace.